Hi everybody, it's Jeremy here again. It's Easter break, you're all in school holidays, so it's an ideal time to be doing a little practice. Okay, so what I wanted to just go over is, carrying on from the last two videos I made, we had two exercises that we ended with when we had our stroke going. We had what we call 4 on a hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, right, 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 left, 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 left. And we had a basic single stroke exercise where we moved from crotchets to quavers, always alternating single strokes. So in other words, right, left, 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 right, left. Moving from slow to fast. So moving on from that, I have two more exercises that are going to keep that same rhythm. We could say a bar of, bars of crotchets, bars of quavers, or bars of quavers, bars of semiquavers. And what we're going to do is always start with this bar of single strokes. And then when we double the speed, this time we're going to move to what we call double strokes. Now a double stroke is obviously 2 with each hand. And for the moment, because this is an introductory warm-up exercise, we're not going to worry about doing any more advanced techniques with our doubles. Okay, the more you progress, the more you'll learn bounce techniques and ways to play very, very quickly with doubles. But for the moment, it's just 2 motions with the wrist. And this is sort of articulating, teaching our wrist just to move a little quicker when we need it. 2 distinct motions. Okay, so our exercise becomes this. We have our bar of single strokes, and then doubles. A little slower, and then doubles. Don't worry about this one going as fast as possible, because as I said, down the track we actually learn that we can bounce the double, and so this gives us access to much quicker speed, and it's a more advanced technique which is not what I want right now for more beginner and intermediate students. You can still do quite a lot with the wrist at that speed. Okay, but don't really push it. Leave the bouncing double for further down the track when you've had sort of time to really get the handle on that. Okay, next exercise, single strokes and parradiddles. Okay, parradiddle is right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. If you think about that sticking, it's actually a combination of singles and doubles. So if you're having trouble remembering the sticking, you can think of it this way. Singles, double. Singles, double. Also, that's why it's called a parradiddle. Parradiddle is a made-up word, but it does use the end of that word diddle, which is drumming slang for double. Parradiddle, parradiddle. However you want to think about it, this is probably the most, well, I want to say difficult, but also really common exercise, because it's a coordination exercise for the brain, but also it's quite a physical challenge just to get your wrists around it to start off with. So let's do the same exercise, slow singles, and then parradiddles at double the speed. So, and then the parradiddle, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. A little slower. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Okay. What's handy about a parradiddle is that it works both hands the same, and what we can do while we're playing it is think about the first note of each 4, as in right, left, right, left. And the beauty of the parradiddle is that those main notes are actually, we're able to prepare for those in a lot more time than we think. So, the first move, right, left, right, right, left. To get to that left, there's lots of time to prepare. Right, left, left, And then the reverse, when that left hand plays the main note, left, right, right. So as you're practicing this, think of that preparation. In drumming terms, that's what we call an upstroke. Right, left. My left hand goes up, plays its first note. Now my right hand goes up. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left. There's all this time to prepare the start of each four. And then we can revert back to our singles for a little break. Okay, so there's sort of two more main exercises that I would use as part of a warm-up routine. Singles, doubles, and paradiddles.